Welcome back with me, Husnul Ashifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Health post staffers serving refrigerators at the Manakara Stadium Mabuju after the earthquake. The health post began serving at the Manakara Stadium Mabuju Regency, West Sulawesi Thursday, 9 January 2022. The stadium, which is located on the Baharudin Lopa Street, has become a temporary refugee post. After an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.8, which occurred on Tuesday, 8 January 2022 yesterday. The earthquake had made residents panic and finally caused to evacuate in the stadium area. From data released by Mabuju Regional Disaster Management Agency, it was recorded that the number of special refugees at the stadium reached 1,185 people. Come from the village and Binagara Rabuku and some residents of the Karya village. Dozens of the tents were living up around the stadium where the violin health survey staff to Mabuju district. And the health office Haji Burgan ensured that there was enough medicine for the regress start of the health post. Media officer service held a check for refugees. With severe recurring complaints that provide medication according to the complainants, explained how Burkina when he visited health post. It was explained that the type of drug were available to the informant included the words also edible, such as fever-reducing medicine, their heart medicine, vitamin, inside medicine, and the eye medicine. In addition, the available health service posts to public kitchen unit have also serviced on the Wednesday, 8 June 2022 night. The next news is 4 defensive in Shabukas sentenced to death. The judges of the Biren District Court sentenced for the deviates to the metamorphonin case were arrested by the National Narcotics Agency team, together with the Aceh police in the Podada district area Biren on November 21, 2022. The variant was ruled by the panel of the judges in the final trial of the case of the Nambo Location District Court, Thursday, 7 June 2022. The four defendants are Saiful Bahri, or 30 years old, a resident of Mankarwan Hamlet Daya Parago village, Sayamatara Balu district, North Aceh. Marhadi, or Andi, 34 years old, resident of Satria Hamlet, Dayatuha village, Raimali Raya, Bayu district. Irwan 38 years old, resident of the Pucok Redu village, Marubawa district. South Aceh, and Jafriati Abdullah, 44 years old, resident for the Limeng Mortahamed, Kot Bada village, Jumpa district, Biren. The open trial was aided by the Chief Justice Daniel Saputra, accompanied by the two-member judges Dr. Lutuan Hadi Darwis SH, M. Kian, and Afhan Firdaus SH. Meanwhile, the party served as subtitle registrar. Meanwhile, the deviant attended the trial online for the word and the ban of 5 days so far, namely the Daris back class to permanentary. In the public relation of the Biren District Court, Mim Muhammad Afran Nur S. Hatul Sorami Wednesday, on the 8th June 2022 afternoon that was Verdier was heavier than the previous demanded in the previous year's trial. Whereas David were sentenced to the imprisonment seat, according to him, the sentence were handed to for David Bissett. The result and the panel of judges' deliberation and had the court took a long process for the poor and trial. And according to the message, the police of judges sentenced to the David to death because were illegally and individually prevent godly committing the crime without the rights and a chain law and intermittent in the cell approaches not to quick class in the term the non-plant weight more than 5 grams. It was said the public procedural and the premonitory indictment status to the defenders, a section violated Article 140 paragraph of Law Number 35 and 2 years 2009 considering narcotic in conjunction with Article 50 paragraph 1 of the 1/6 Criminal Code. Meanwhile, the substitution finally Article 120 paragraph 2 of the Law Number 35 of the year 2019 courting narcotic in the conjuring with Article 55 of paragraph 1 of the 1/6 Criminal Code. When the same consideration, Marboli also the Great Division reached the National Street in the Balangat Kelampang village area, Budada District, Birague. The next news is the youngest and oldest Hajj condition in the Pindaran. Nur Anisha Al-Juwaidi became the youngest Hajj candidate Yogyakarta or GCH in the Pindaran Regency Sulawesi. This resident of Bitian Charawaji Peltengan district is 23 years old, and which the oldest GCH is Nabadan Da Hassan bin Naming, was 64 years old. It's a resident of Bidalago Surapan village, Watang Saliwato district. The head of the Hajj and Umrah in the Pindaran Ministry of Religion, Muhammad Ihwan, said that the put of the registered for the Hajj in the 2010. Ihwan said that after 12 years, the two were finally back to the Holy Land for the third more. It was said the 164 suspended Hajj pilgrims from the Pindaran Regency will depart from the Holy Land in 2022. The GCH of Pindaran deportee was considered the only military Pindaranese that department Makassar in one day. At the Haji Sumberang Sadang Domori on the Wednesday at 8 p.m. and the GCH left for the Tuesday and 7 a.m. The story of the Anissa Ajua the Yojas GCH in Pirang, her eyes speckless and smiling brightly. The Hassan was scored about to record the Haji in this year. Successfully, Nur Anissa left in 2022 with her aunt Namla Rahmah Subang Temple. However, he returned to the Holy Land at the declared to Pantepi. He also disposed several and said, however, the feeling is this point gradual disposal and was willing to accept the discussion. The next is the risk and of the two tourists is exploratory shooting action. Like a scan in the movie, the risk to two of the suspect the theft of the stolen motorbike by the Bukit Kemuning sector. Police was marked by the shooting exchange between a member of the police and the private. The present action was carried out by the member of the Bukit Kemuning police after receiving information on the incident involving a motorcycle left and occurred on the Monday, Jan 6, 2022. At the Bukit Kemuning Police Chief Police Commissioner Mahidin representing that the North Lampung Police Chief, adjutant to the Police Chief Commissioner Kurniawan Ismail, told the chronology that the arrest of the prevention of the motorcycle happened in the jurisdiction. All the time, member of the receiving information from the resident who continue and push the previous perpetrators, and the perpetrators had already passed across a route at the Talang Paris Hambiet. Talang Paris Hambiet Boulder Maigan village that the two fighting went occurred with a member at the Bukit Kemuning police who at the time started him. With the team police meet the two adjutant police inspector to the Laki Atmaja and the second rank Brigadier Mauladin won the stranger thought at Talang Paris Hamlet that the car driven by the sector police Hamlet cried out. The sector with the Talang Paru Hamlet comes Bumi medicine upon. In the bus assist two victims saw the two motorbikes taken by perpetrators. Although at the time, two perpetrators was about on the field of wrong cast, a motorcycle belonged to the victims that the car badly grabbing to the perpetrators was one and motorbike. In this middle in the incident, one of the perpetrators managed of the escape, while the another perpetrator who was shot in the right and leg was arrested. The first perpetrators who were arrested had an initial AB and FR. Is the time that the shooting managed to escape to the search was crying out. It was found the perpetrator with the initial EFR who suffered a causes when the were night side of the his case and badly taken to the Rio Kudu General in the hospital Kota Bumi. He further disclosed the motorcycle tan was experienced by the victim with the initial AA and AY who was still a student. The next news is the booking system of the limitation of the Marba Women's climbing quota. The person had booked the ticket for the climbing mount, but Babu at the sold it's a group of the climbing who called the book online after a quota ran out. The alleged or serious action of view that the one social media after Laha Para account was uploaded. In the post, he claimed to have received information from the climbers who were a victim of the extortion. The math is pretty net too. The group who was the one to climb were Babu were considered someone to the Kudu province in additional quota for the group. Without which leaving the group and the climber was finally to claim Babu a toll server of the individuals that the crime information that the first server his brand is suspecting that the easily middle claim paying out without the payout of the arrested by these people. Seeing this phenomena has expected for the climbers of the experience, the some cannot provide information in a real set way. It's a hope that the output will disable this practice. Responding to this, the head of the subdivision of the TU Mount Merbabu National Park Office, Jonathan Setiawan badly carried out, and the evaluation of the crime-based camp managers have been generated. They are still searching for the information in the additional to find out the suspect crime information. He got also the suspect here. The next news is Vice President Ma'ruf Amin buy the wholesale batik in Cibulu Batik Village, Bogor. Batik craftsmen in Cibulu Batik Village, North Bogor District, Bogor City, look heavy after Vice President Ma'ruf Amin booked a batik during a visit on the Wednesday, 8 June 2022. The visit of the Vice President also included assistance from the National Askari Agency to the doors of batik charismen in the Cibulu Batik Village. Several types of the batik were applied directly by the Vice President Ma'ruf Amin because of the uniqueness of the batik motif from Cibulu. Tika, a batik craftsman in the Cibulu village, explained that the Vice President Ma'ruf Amin bought almost a ton's batik in the Cibulu Batik Village. Only I booked 13 climbing a print at the written motif. Mr. Ma'ruf Amin was immediately appointed for the total of almost 6 million more. Even so, Tika said that they were so very happy to be visitable directly by the Vice President Ma'ruf Amin this time. However, before being visitable by the Vice President Ma'ruf Amin, Tika also told about the process of making batik. There is also difference between the printing of the batik printed by the producer, the mostly striking the fringe between the two types of the batik in Kampung Batik is seen from the process. And the last news is, ahead of the Eid al-Adha, the purchase of the Surveilla and debate in Tanah Tidung Regency is still quiet. Ahead of the Eid al-Adha 1443, and the purchase Surveilla animals in Tanah Tidung Regency is still quiet. A settled farmer in Tanah Tidung Regency, Muhammad Jufri, said that the purchase of the Surveilla animal would be crowded a week before Eid. In previous years, usually 1 as 2 weeks before Eid, many people come. For the price of the cattle, he said, it was around 7 million to 20 million per head. He added the Surveilla sentence animal that they were important this year and this not so very earlier, like previous years, even so, that his master to sack several animal on the farm would be several until and Adha later. So I did not come beginning of the year and the previous years because always come at the beginning of year. Well, I think that's all for news for today with me, Kustul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.